Hey guys, welcome back. Blue Blade Nails back at it again, you guys. But before I start, please make sure you've hit the subscribe button below so you can stay tuned to all the videos that will be coming up, you guys. Right now, I am just working on the filling process, you guys. I have already completely done the prepping part. If you have not yet, please check out the video on how I do my prepping. You guys, as I said before, I start all my acrylic sets with a clear base. Again, the only reason I do the clear base, I just feel like it's much convenient for me when I'm doing fill-in process. All I have to do is remove the design on top and keep it moving with the same set. In this video, I'm mainly going to be focusing on the design part for you guys. That way you guys can see how I actually come up with the designs. I call my sessions Let's Play, especially when my clients don't know what they want exactly, but they just know that they want their nails done. So yeah, this is one of those appointments. The only thing that my client did stress is she did want some Valentine nails. However, she didn't want like the pinkish girly Valentine nails. She wanted more so in the dark black, dark red Valentines. And also this is her birthday month, so happy birthday, girl. Turn up, turn up. And we are going to be doing one nail in memory to her favorite cousin that passed away. So I usually start my sets from the pinky to the thumb. Is just something that I'm so used to. It makes it easier for me to break it down. Again, this is a freestyle, okay? So everything's coming to my mind as I'm going. So the pinky, if you guys wasn't paying attention, it is an ombre. So it's red into a black ombre. And then the ring finger right now that we did a natural nude. And I am putting a little bit of confetti, heart confettis that I found at Michael's craft store. And I do want to say that when it comes to acrylic, you guys, I really don't have a favorite brand that I only use. I really have a mixture of brands. And in this session, I actually have Mia Secrets. I also have Glamming Glitz and Not Polished. And again, like I said, I'm really just playing with the acrylic as I'm going. She did say she wanted Valentine nails, so of course I'm putting glitters and stuff like that. I'm doing ombres. So the middle finger, I just did a natural nude. Again, that nail is going to be representing her cousin. The pointing finger, I did somewhat a reddish with the tip glittery. And then the thumb is going to be an all black nail. And right now I'm gonna start a encapsulation on all the glitter nails. I usually do encapsulation on glitters and ombres just so that when I am filing and buffing, they are not being touched with, or I'm not damaging those designs. So when you do your encapsulation, you don't want to make them too thick. You want to make them average size. You want to keep the thickness of your nail the same way, just enough to cover the design that you're putting underneath. So this session is like my yoga part right now, nail yoga. I'm looking around, making sure that everything looks nice and neat. If it needs more glitter, I'm adding glitter. If it needs more color acrylic, I'm adding more color acrylic. Right now I'm filing with my favorite file. It is an 8080 grit file. Super powerful. Again, I don't recommend it on natural nails, but it helps bring the shape back to life. And I do go over the cuticle area with my fine coarse bit, just in case the acrylic was too thick around the cuticle area, and if there's any uneven areas, it's something quick. It's not much because I don't want to remove the new acrylic that I put on. And so I start doing a light buff. During my nail yoga, I noticed that some of the acrylic did slide to the corners of the nails, so that's why I filed that off. You guys, you don't want to send your client home with that, because trust and believe your client will be picking on that. So buffing top and sides, you guys, making sure that the top and sides are smooth. That way when you do put your designs or your top coat, you don't see any bumps. So right now, I on the confetti nails, I am redrawing hearts on top of it, and this is on top of the encapsulation, so it's gonna give it like a 2D 3D look, because it's on top of the confettis. The only reason I'm doing that is because the client did want black hearts, and I didn't have any confetti black hearts, so I told her I would draw black hearts on her nail. And on the ring finger, you guys, we are going to be doing a baseball design. Again, this is the nail that will be representing her cousin that did pass away last year. And the only reason she wanted to represent him this month was because it is his birthday month, and he absolutely loved playing baseball as a kid. And so we decided to not only celebrate hers, but also celebrate his, and a little bit of Valentine in between. So we are doing a baseball design. The design she showed me from another nail that she found on Pinterest. So now, you guys, my favorite part, this honestly is the favorite part of the whole nail session for me. It's always the bling. If you do not know me, you know I love the bling. That's why we have blue bling in our names, because the bling represents us. So I am doing a freestyle bling on her. She told me, bling it out, Wendy. And so again, here I go back at it again, you guys, to bling out her nail. I did spread a few different sizes and colors of rhinestones on my little napkin. That way it's easier for me to pick up. I don't have any of the fancy Koloski stick. I only have the dotting stick. My dotting stick, I've been in love with it since day one. It's just so easy for me to pick up the rhinestones. Yeah, sometimes it does fall off, but it's just easier for me to just pick it right back up and put it right back on the nail. And so I'm adding bling here and there, you guys. She has a one full nail, which is the middle finger, that's blinged out from top to bottom. And then the thumb, I'm doing like a side bling, and the pinky was just like a top middle bling for her. The adhesive that I use to make sure the rhinestones don't fall off does have to be cured under a LED or a UV lamp. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please follow me on my social media. I will have them linked below for you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and see you guys soon.